Welcome to JH. Today, I will show you how to activate your microphone for Google Meet. This walkthrough is ideal for beginners or anyone experiencing audio trouble during calls. Turning on your mic allows you to contribute to discussions, share thoughts instantly, and ensure you are heard. Let's begin. To start, head over to Google Meet by entering meet.google.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the main dashboard where you can join or host meetings. Before jumping into a call, we need to verify your audio configuration. Next, locate the site settings within your browser's address bar. On the left side of the URL, you should see a lock or information icon. Click this icon to reveal the permissions menu for Google Meet. This section is vital because it manages which hardware the site can use, specifically your microphone. Inside this menu, find the microphone toggle. It may be disabled or set to Ask by default, which requires manual approval for every call. You should switch this to the On position. Enabling this allows the platform to access your audio automatically, saving time and making sure you are always prepared to talk. Once the microphone is enabled, you must refresh the page. This step is essential to apply your new settings. After the reload, Google Meet will recognize your microphone, allowing you to speak freely during your sessions. Preparing your audio beforehand prevents technical delays and the frustration of speaking while muted. It is wise to perform a quick sound check before important calls. Most platforms, Google Meet included, offer built-in tools to test your hardware during setup. That is all it takes to get your audio working. Whether for work, school, or social calls, being audible is key. Following these steps ensures your voice is always heard. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.